In front of you, shower niche lighting solution by MG Sign. The installation kit includes aluminum channel, silicone encapsulated LED strip, RGB controller, RGB remote control, power adapter, a screwdriver for RGB controller, and the adapter for the power supply. The first thing you have to do after you receive your installation kit is to check if it functions properly. You can take your extension cord and connect the power supply. You can see the RGB LED strip is working properly. The default settings might be set for voice activation, so if I stop speaking, it stop reacting.